Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fusion backseat. First, locate the two release levers situated at the front edge of the rear seat cushion, one on each side. Firmly pull each lever upwards to disengage the locking mechanism. Once both levers are pulled, lift the front of the seat cushion and then pull it forward to completely remove it from the vehicle. This initial step is straightforward. Next, you'll need to detach the rear backrest. Begin by folding down both sections of the rear seat backs. This action will expose the mounting bolts located at the top of the backrest, near the trunk area. There are two bolts you need to remove. Use a socket wrench, usually a 10mm or 13mm size, to loosen and take out these fasteners. Keep them safe for reinstallation. After removing the upper bolts, focus on the lower section of the backrest. You will find two more bolts securing the bottom of the backrest to the vehicle frame. Remove these bolts using your socket wrench. Once all four bolts are out, lift the entire backrest assembly straight upwards. This motion will disengage it from its mounting hooks. Carefully guide the seatbelt buckles through their respective openings as you remove the backrest. To reinstall, reverse the steps. First, align the backrest hooks with their slots and push down firmly until it's seated. Then, reinsert and tighten all four bolts, ensuring they are secure. Finally, position the seat cushion and push down until the latches engage. Always double-check that everything is locked in place for safety. For more great tips and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.